Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. Today we'll be solving a question from IBPS PO 2023 question paper. A vessel contains 79.9 liters mixture of milk and water in which milk is 50% more than of water. So let's start solving the question directly. And the question here they're asking for the approximate quantity. So we are just going to round up the values. So first step is from the first sentence, a vessel contains 79.9 liters mixture of milk and water. So which means milk plus water is equal 79.9 liters, which I'm taking as 80 liters, and then which milk is 50% more than of water. So which milk equals 150%, that is 50% more, therefore 100 plus 50, which is 150% of water. So therefore milk equals 150 percentage means divided by 100 of is times water. So simplifying this, 0 gets cancelled, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 2 is 10, so which is milk equals 3 by 2 of water. So substituting this value in the first equation, so milk is 3 by 2 of W plus water as it is equals 80. So simplifying the 3 by 2 W plus 1 W, which is taking LCM, so 3W plus 2W equals 80. So 5W is equals 2 goes this side, which is 160. So W equals 160 divided by this 5. So 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 2 is 10. So water in this mixture is equals 32 liters. Therefore milk can be found by substituting in this part. So which is milk equals 3 by 2 of this water. Water we know 30. So 2 times 16 is 32. So 3 times 16 is equals 48 liters. So now we know the amount of milk and water in the initial mixture. Now from the second sentence. Next sentence, let's go this. So 20 liters of mixture is taken out, and so we are taking out the 20 liters of mixture together, not separately the milk or water. So we are taking it separately. So it goes like that. So which means let's find the ratio of this milk and water. So milk is to water, which is equals, milk is 48 liters, we have found that, is to water is 32 liters. So let's see the ratio in which they are. So 16 times 3 is 48 and 16 times 2 is 32. So they are in the ratio 3 is to 2. So since 20 liters is taken out, that is 20 liters in the total mixture, which 3 parts is milk out of the total 5 parts, which is 3 plus 2 equals 5. So which means 5 times 4 is 20, 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 liters of milk is taken out, and water, which is 20 mixture taken out, times this 2 parts out of the total 5 parts, which is 5 times 4 is 20, which is equals 8 liters of water is taken out. So when this part, that is now the remaining milk will be out of this 48 liters, 12 liters is taken out. So the remaining milk is going to be 36 liters, and C, water is going to be taken out from this 32 minus this 8 liters. So which is equals 24 liters of water will be remaining in the initial original mixture. Now what is happening is 60 liters of mixture of milk and water is mixed in the remaining the amounts. If the resultant mixture, the milk becomes 2 times of the water. So we don't know how much of milk or water is going to be in this 60 liters that is going to be added. So let's take as the milk is equals X liters. We don't know how much is that. And same thing, water is going to be remaining, whatever in the 60 minus this X, that is going to be the amount of water in this. So now when this is added, this liters is added to this one, the milk becomes, the question given here is, the milk becomes 2 times of the water. So milk equals 2 times water. Let's see what is happening. What is the new equation we are forming here? So milk, we know that is in this 36 liter. So now the milk, final milk is this 36 liters plus this X liter added, and then water is equals this 24 liters plus the 60 minus X liters. So the new equation formed will be this milk 36 liters plus X liters will be equal to 2 times this one 24 liters plus 60 minus X liters. So by solving this, we should be able to figure out the value of X, and then there is the amount of milk and amount of water added. Let's solve it together. So just rearranging the equation, I think this should be pretty easy. So 36 liter plus X liters is equals to 2 times 24 is 48 L plus 2 times 60 is 120 minus 2 times X is 2X. So let's group the X together and the remaining together. So which is X on this side, and this 2X comes to this side is equal, becomes minus, comes to this side becomes plus, and this side it is 48 plus 120, which is, let's add it together first. So 48 plus 120 is 168, and this 36 goes to the other side becomes minus 36. So here it is 3X equals 168 minus 36 is 132. So X equals 132 divided by 3, which is equals 44 liters. So we almost got the answer. So which is X is we take the milk. So milk added here is 44 liters. 44 liters, that is X, that is milk equals 44 liters. We have got it. Therefore, water equals the 60 minus 44. So 60 minus 44 is equals 16. So the amount of water added is 16 liters. Question they're asking us, find the approximate quantity in liters of water added. So which is 16. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments.